Let's take a look at these Leemone Humidifier Demineralization sharks. And I was interested in these because the minerals in hard water will lead to white dust in your humidifier and early yellowing of humidifier filters. It'll cause slime from microbial growth. And this isn't just unsightly, it's unhealthy and expensive. The EPA actually tells us that the crusty white deposits or scale caused by minerals can become breeding grounds for microorganisms. And we all know how expensive filters are. So, to prevent problems caused by excess minerals in your humidifier, there are two key steps. First, it's best to use distilled water if at all possible. But be careful. You definitely don't want to use anything labeled drinking water or mineral water or even purified water. These will have minerals and perhaps even more than what's coming out of your tap. The product should clearly state that it's distilled water. And second, you can use these demineralization pods made by Leemone. They come in a bunch of colors and packs and sizes and shapes like capsules and balls, but why the heck would anyone choose those when you can get floating sharks or fish? Anyway, do what you want, but instead of using chemicals, they all use silver ions to treat up to 2 gallons of water for 30 days. So if your tank is bigger, then you can add more devices. And they work great. But in full disclosure, you should still read and follow your manufacturer's water tank maintenance instructions. But I'd expect that your regular humidifier cleaning routines will be much easier, and the air in your home will be improved with these sharks on the hunt in your humidifier. And I hope this short video has helped you decide if Leemone's demineralization sharks and, okay, the other shapes too, are right for you and your family. And thanks for watching.